The MIG-205DP Pro Welder is equipped with a 4.3-inch high-definition LCD screen that enhances user interaction with its intuitive interface. Powered by Dual Pulse MIG Technology, this welder allows even beginners to achieve precision in welding thin aluminum and other metals with minimal spatter, resulting in TIG-like quality. With intelligent parameter matching, the machine automatically adjusts voltage, current, and wire feed speed, optimizing performance for various materials and wire types. Advanced users can fine-tune settings such as inductance and arc voltage, providing the precision needed for demanding welding applications. Safety is prioritized with rigorous testing under extreme conditions and features like overcurrent and overvoltage protection, ensuring user safety and durability. The welder offers versatility with its multi-process capabilities, including MIG, lift TIG, stick, and Flux Core modes, catering to a wide range of welding needs.